Hello everyone. I was wondering if any of you order from Chewy. I have been getting cat food from Chewy for quite a while, and you can see that today's delivery, I got quite a few things, and I wasn't home, and the delivery company left the 2 boxes right on the side of the road next to the mailbox. And I drove up and just saw them sitting there, and anyone could have just picked them up. And I'm like, why would they do that? And I've been getting from Chewy for years, and I've never had that happen. But I like to get food from Chewy because it's a bigger variety from what we have around here. So anyway, thanks for watching.